guys, it's your girl Shan and I'm here with another unboxing haul. Sorry about the lighting. It's night time. I just got home from a trip away, but I came home to some parcels because we're going away for a month. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, so this is what I ordered from Dollskill. Okay. I got 2 pairs of shoes. 1, 2, actually maybe 3. And 3. Shit, I can't remember getting 3. Put that over there. Okay, so, yeah! First bag I got are dogs, because I'm starting my little collection of dogs. These are white studded ones, and they're platform because I can't get enough on my platform. Shit, I didn't realise how tall they were. Oh my god. It's a struggle. Holy crap. They're cool. That's cool. So I got that pair. I seriously can't get enough of shoes. Okay, and then I forgot that I got these many pairs. Oh my god. These are sick. And your girl got her platform booties. I'm definitely wearing these to Coachella, holy shit. Yes, and they're zip ones, so they're easier to put on. I'm sorry about my voice. I think I'm getting sick again. Oh shit. Look at that. Look at that storage boot. Jesus Christ. That's cool though. Oh, I love it. Sorry, I keep saying the same words, but you get me. You get me. Okay, 3rd box of shoes. Hello. Open up. Okay. Oh, these are cool. What size did I get? What size? 37. Let's hope this fits. They look adorable, but they look really small. Anyways, this is what they look like. They're black, kind of short, but platform. They're pretty damn funky. And these ones were pretty expensive. They're so cool. Oh yeah, no, they fit perfect. That's what they look like. I like these because I haven't really seen anyone have these, but they've got cool like detail. I love those. Holy crap, look at those. This is all the stuff I bought. Okay, I got this for Coachella. It's a fanny pack and you can wear it like that, so it's easy to keep your stuff safe and sound with you. I love that. That's going to be so nice in my outfits. And I love this jacket. I love my chain, so this jacket. Yes. So it has chains coming from it and it's a cropped hoodie. That looks freaking sick. I want to wear that so badly with that chained fanny pack. And then I got black and white checkered socks. This top was $50, but it's worth it. And I'm obsessed with what it says. It says, more than friends, less than lovers, and it's a boob tube crop top. Your girl is going to wear the crap out of that. Oh my god. Love, love, love. And I'm glad I got a size small, not extra small. And your girl got, yay, I'm so glad I got this. I didn't think I ordered it, but it's, is it broken? Give me. Yeah, it's just a little shrug. It just covers the arms. I'll check it out. Hopefully it's not broken, but that will look sick as well. Now onto the collab stuff for Coachella. I got this package, which is one of my outfits for Coachella. I'm so excited for this one. Hey, we hope you love your new outfit and bag. We can't wait to see you rocking it at Coachella. Yes. Sorry, I'm like acting crazy, but I'm that excited. red bag. Oh my god. Yes, this is like a fanny pack but a side bag for your leg kind of thing. Another chain. That chain goes on it. Oh my god, yes. It's gonna look so good with my outfit. And then my outfit. Oh, it's bikini material. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. That's cool. This is the top. It's got like a little seatbelt buckle kind of thing, but it's really small so it shows under boob. I think that's really cool. And then we got the skirt. That's what the skirt looks like. It's got buckle detailing on the side, which I'm obsessed with. And then it comes with, I'm pretty sure this is a buckle belt type thing. But oh my god. And then from PrincessPolly I got these shoes, which I'll probably wear with that white outfit. These are the red shoes. They're rock boots. They are freaking amazing. Oh my god, yes. And then I got glow tats. I'm collabing with them.
You don't know, babe. When you hold me. You kiss me slowly.
And for Mexico, I got some swimwear from Arc Swimwear. I got a cute little envelope. I'll read that. So I just got a black top, 2 black bottoms, and a white top. Oh, they're so cute. They're the softest bikini material. I'm excited to wear those. Okay, and then I got Boohoo, which is my last package. Ooh, that flew out. Okay, let's see what I got. I got a bunch of different things. Oh my god, my back's killing me. Okay, so I got this cool yellow hoodie with checkered print on the sides of the sleeves, and it's cropped. I love that. I've been getting into colour lately. This camo jumpsuit. It's got long pants and it's really soft. That will look cute styled up. Ooh, I got this kind of mesh white skirt that says girls, girls, girls. That would look sick at Coachella. Oh, I really like this. I don't know how it goes, but it's a little kind of leopard print mesh bralette. And it's got strap detailing. And last but not least, I got this little kind of beige set. I love this style top. I love like the button-up style. That's the top. And it comes with the matching skirt, which is gonna look so cute with like white boots. Oh my god, you girls so excited. I just want to thank the companies that are sponsoring me for Coachella, and I'm also obsessed with Dollskill. I buy everything from them. They're my favourite store, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day or night, and you'll be seeing heaps of new videos coming soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!